I am talking with Sunshine Looney, the Sunshine Performance Club, and great to have you on today. And you know, the reason that you're here really is there's a lot on the website that you have that people can go to, and it's called sunshinecharities.com, right?
You got it.
Yeah.
You got it.
So tell us about the website. What can people find on there? And I know you help with a lot of different organizations, and you help to raise money for them as well.
Yeah. Well, I developed this website back in 2014.
Okay.
It was a vehicle, first of all, to hang YouTube stuff on, because you know, you have it on YouTube, then how do people find it?
Right.
So it was a nice organized way to have access to things. Yeah. And I also at that point was president of 3 clubs with the GRF and had websites under them, very extensive websites with many pages.
Yeah.
And so I had direct access to them as well, so that everything was in one spot.
Yeah.
Well, then in 2017 in May, GRF made an announcement that they were not going to support the club websites anymore.
Right.
So I copied millions of pages from my websites onto my Sunshine Charities and purchased a domain for Alzheimer's. And then 3 months later, they said, well, yeah, we will provide a vehicle. Now, the vehicle they provided, it's nice, very limited functionality.
Right.
So
but it provides a link.
It does provide.
Yeah, that's the
so what I did is I just kept all the functionality on the Sunshine website, because you can have links to YouTube and stuff, which you really can't do on the GRF one.
Right, yeah.
So if you take that very first link, it's which basically sunshinecharities.com.
Yeah.
Now, if you key in sunshinecharities.com, you might get there. I don't pay to be at the top of the Google list.
Right.
So, you know.
That can be pricey. That's very true.
Anyway, when you do take that option, when you finally get there, what it's going to show is a page that looks kind of like the lower part of the screen. Not exactly, but similar. And the very first option, it tells about the Sunshine Performance Club.
Right.
And it invites people who live in the village, if they have a talent and they want to share that talent, to join the Sunshine Performance Club. And tells how much it costs. And underneath that, I have a mission statement. And basically, the purpose of the club is to provide a platform for village residents to be able to perfect and display their talents. And to then provide shows for the community.
And this is something you've been doing, I want to say, for quite a long time now. 10 years?
Yeah.
Am I right?
We actually started the club in 2007.
Okay, 12 years, Okay.
And so we also do benefit shows for charity.
Yes, you do. Yes.
Underneath contact information, if people want to contact me, I have a picture of my business card. All my information is on it. If they want to know any more information, they need help in negotiating through the website, they can give me a call. Okay. And I will help them.
Now, did you maintain this website yourself, or do you have a third party you do?
Yes.
Oh, very good.
I built it myself.
Very good.
I use a product out there that is supplied by Weebly. Very easy to use.
Yeah.
And so I was able to build everything I wanted.
Now, on this too, people can find out some programming shows that you're coming up, because you have future shows,
the very next
shows.
option. The very next option is Sunshine Future Shows.
Yes.
There's 2 things that come up when you get there: 2019 and 2020. 2019, the only thing left out there right now is the October show that I'll come back and talk about in September. It's going to be in Clubhouse 5. It's a dance, it's a show, it's a charity benefit.
Okay.
It'll be fun. It's on October 6th, and I'll talk a lot about it at the end of September. If you go back, then you select 2020. It talks about 2 shows that we have planned for 2020.
Okay.
And so you can look at those. One of them just came into being. It's going to be a kind of combination between Dr. Trin and the Sunshine Performance Group. So he's going to be kind of like giving a medical overview of some things and a boxed lunch, and we're going to do a show.
Okay.
So it'll be kind of fun.
You should get him singing.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, that would be kind of fun. Now, other things that you do is, you know, we want to mention you raise money for the Alzheimer's here in Orange County.
Right.
You also do that, of course, for the foundation here.
Right.
And do you have links on here where people can donate? Or it's
no,
not yet? Okay.
No, because I want them,
you have to become...
I want them to donate directly too, but if they want to do it in the name of our show, all they have to do is put that on their check.
All right.
And then we get credit for it. They add it up and say, okay, this is how much was made for this show.
That's good.
So,
and yeah, you know, you've done
I don't want to be in the money
years.
business.
No, no. Yeah, I certainly understand that.
So that's one of the things that if they are a member and they have a talent, they could do is be part of the shows. Now, the one that's coming up in October, we already have 27 people. We are full up. So.
And how much does it cost to become a member?
Only $15 for the whole year. We run from July through June.
Okay.
So.
All right. Very good. So sunshinecharities.com.
Yes.
And you can get all the information there.
Right. Now, the next thing that we also do is we do a weekly show.
Right.
And if, oops, it went away. If you take the option for the weekly shows, you'll see pictures in order of the shows, people that have been in the shows that we do. So every week we do a show and we have pictures of the people perform, and I have a schedule out there that they can say, okay, here's all the weeks through December of this year, and you know what, I'd be available then, and these are the 3 songs I'd like to sing.
Okay.
So they let me know. They have to know at least a week in advance what the songs are, because I make a program. So we do that every week. And
wow, it sounds like a lot of work.
It is.
Yeah.
And it's South County Adult Day Services. That's too many words to say in a row. And so you take the first letter of each one of those, and it's SCADS.
Yes.
And we do the SCAD shows every Friday.
Okay.
At 1 o'clock. So it's an hour show at 1 o'clock. Then there's Alzheimer's OC, I put on the other hat. And there's a website, there's an option for that. The main thing there that you'll want to see is the monthly meetings.
Right.
You take the club meetings, and there's by date, first date on, latest date on top. There's a September date out there because the second Monday of the month, we have our meetings at the PAC in Dining Room 2. And we have a speaker each time.
Right. Yeah.
This coming one, we're doing paper and pencil brain exercises.
Okay.
And that brings me to the most important one. This is the event history. If you go to event history, you can see 22 of the shows since we've done 2008.
Okay, very good.
And the latest one, the latest one is on the top. The latest one was the one that Raindrop and Sunshine and Jackie O'Neill did, 90 minutes of music on June 9th.
Okay, and that's there along with all the ones previous to that.
And there's like everyone has a flyer and options underneath. Everyone has at least 2 options.
Okay.
One option shows the songs that were done, and the other option takes you directly to YouTube. Now, if you're familiar with YouTube, there's a little option to make the screen big so you get to see the full, fills up your computer, and you get to watch the whole show.
All right, very good. Lots there.
One more thing I got to tell you. Did you know that the History Center has their own website?
Yes, I do, yeah.
And they have so much cool stuff out there. It's called LagunaWoodsHistory.org. But at the top, they have something called Local History. Click on that. Local History Links. Click on that. Laguna Woods Performances. And you see all of our event history.
Oh, wow, it's all there?
It's all
very
there.
Very good. So a couple different ways that you can get there. And of course, you're going to be back again in probably about a month or whatever it might be to talk about
at the end of
your
September
show
to talk about our October show.
All right, always good to see you.
Thank you,
Take
Kim.
care.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back. Yeah, it's a lot of work to do this, isn't it?